Hello everyone. Today we are here with a new topic, that is plastid cell organelle. As we all know that plastid is a cytoplasmic double membrane bound cell organelle with it visible under light microscope. But the detailed structure can be seen only with the help of electron microscope. This plastid is first seen by Haeckel scientist or E. Haeckel or Ernest Haeckel. So first of all, plastid is discovered by E. Haeckel. Now the plastid is present only in plant cells and certain protist or protist algae. It is absent in the animal cell and all prokaryotic cells. The plastid is mainly responsible for the photosynthesis because it having the chlorophyll pigment and also store the food. Now the types of the plastid. Mainly plastid is divided into two broad categories. It is divided into two broad categories on the basis of their form, on the basis of chlorophyll pigments present in them. Colorless plastid and colored plastid. Colorless plastid is leucoplast and colored plastid may be non-green or green chromoplast. Non-green chromoplast generally known as chromoplast and non-green part is known as a chloroplast. The plastids present in the plants are of different shapes. They may be discoidal or oval shape. The oval shape plastid are present in only higher plants. They may be like girdle shape and they may be present in eulothrix. The spiral shape plastid are present in Spirogyra algae. According to the shape of cell, the plastid shape is also changed. And cup-shaped algae are present in Chalaedomonas algae. Now the type leucoplast. Leucoplast is non-pigmented, white in color. It have no colorful pigment and its main function is to store the reserve food. On the basis of storage of the food material, leucoplast mainly is of three types. First of all, amyloplast. In amyloplast, it store the starch. Reserve food material is a starch. Second is elioplast. In elioplast, store food material is a lipid. And third is aleuroplast. In aleuroplast, store food material is a protein. On the basis of the type of reserve food, leucoplast is mainly of three types. Next type of plastid is chromoplast. It is pigmented plastid or colored plastid. It have all pigments other than chlorophyll or green color. In chromoplast, only green color is absent. They have red, orange, yellow, pink colors. Example, you can say lycopene is a pigment present in the tomato and chili which provide red color to the chili and tomato. Now the function of chromoplast, it provide colors to the petals of the flower or you can say flowers, fruits and the roots of the higher plants. The colorful petals of the flower attract the insect, so you can say it also help to attract insect towards itself, which help in pollination. The next type of plastid is chloroplast. Chloroplast in higher plants may be ovoid, discoidal, spherical or lens shape. Chloroplast is double membrane bound cell organelle. Outer is outer membrane and second is a inner membrane, and the envelope is fluid filled envelope. It have matrix and a lamella. In matrix, double stranded circular DNA is present. It have ribosome which are 70s type and most abundant enzyme present on that is riboscoiso present in the matrix or stroma of the chloroplast. And the third is lamella. In lamina, flattened sac-like structures are present. These flattened sac-like structures single is known as thylakoid, and when the thylakoids are present in the stacks or packed in piles, then it form the grana. and it contains green chlorophyll pigment. In a cell, mainly 12 to 3 pairs of grana are present. In a single grana, 5 to 7 thylakoids are attached with each other to form a grana. In the grana, chlorophyll pigment is present, so it help in light absorption. These chloroplast is known as kitchen house of the cell or kitchen of the cell. Like mitochondria, the chloroplast or plastid have its own DNA and a 70s type ribosome. So the plastid is also known as the self-duplicating or semi-autonomous cell organelle. Semi-autonomous or self-duplicating cell organelle. The photosynthesis, which have two phases. One phase is light phase and other phase is dark phase. The dark phase occur in this stroma, or you can say matrix, in which no chlorophyll pigment is present, no absorption of sunlight occur, and the light phase always occur in the grana, in which chlorophyll pigment is present, which trap the sunlight. These granule thylakoids are attached with each other by the fat channels or stroma laminar. It is the structure of the chloroplast or plastid, which is most common and found in all the plant cells. The chloroplast mainly help in photosynthesis. It transform the light energy into chemical energy, and the photosynthesis occurs in light phase occur in grana and dark phase occur in stroma. It is the function of the chloroplast. Commonly the function of plastid are they can store food. It may be in form of starch, lipid or protein. They provide color to the flowers and fruits which attract the insects, and the flowers which attracts towards the insects help in pollination, and the fruit attracts the animals which help in seed dispersion. Now the chloroplast help in photosynthesis. The main function is photosynthesis, which provide food for the plants. Thank you everyone. In next video we will discuss a new topic. Till then, take care everyone.